The following tactic to generate profitable offer ideas is to do a brainstorming session on product ideas. Ideally, your brainstorm should be with max 5 people because too many people dilutes the quality of the brainstorm session. Imagine 30 people in a room doing a brainstorm. Not impossible, but it would definitely be less effective. As you're brainstorming, put the ideas and suggestions into a mind map. This makes it easier for you to refer back to the ideas after the brainstorm. There are 5 simple steps to do an effective brainstorm. The first step is to set the context. This means that the tone and intention of the brainstorm is clarified up front. There's no right or wrong answer, and the focus on the brainstorming session is just to generate ideas. The last thing you want happening is for your people to withhold their ideas for fear of being rejected or ridiculed. Therefore, it's the responsibility of the meeting lead to set the climate for ideas to flow. You may also want to put on some brain music, generally classical songs, to get the creative juices flowing. Steps 2 and 3 are to start the brainstorm and get the ideas flowing. The idea is to turn it into a game, where the game is to imagine that there is a balloon that's being thrown around in the room. Every time someone speaks, the balloon bounces from one person to another, and it keeps afloat every time there is silence. The balloon floats closer to the ground. The moment silence passes too long, the balloon pops, and the process starts again. This makes the session fun and engaging. Step 4 is when the session is done, ideally after 20 to 30 minutes, evaluate the ideas. Discuss and decide with the team on what is the biggest problem faced by the target audience and which idea solves their problem. After a decision is made, you move on to step 5, where you write out action points. This then moves into the execution phase. Here, you list down all the required actions to bring the idea to life and assign these action points to your team. All action points must have a person in charge, otherwise there'll be a gap in your execution.